Narev, ja Shushinam Hayasa. Hello, I'm Shushi from Hayasa, and today we are going to learn to conjugate the verb to be. The verb to be is irregular. All the pronouns, both singular and plural, are followed by a different auxiliary verb. Because the verb to be has 6 different forms for present tense, and now we will learn them. So you already know the personal pronouns. If you haven't learned that yet, please move back to my previous video lesson and just make sure that you know the pronouns, and then come back to this lesson. Let's get started. The first thing that I'm going to tell will be the pronoun, and the second thing will be the auxiliary verb. It will be the form of to be. So I am, yes, am. Here am stands for the same M of English. Yes, I am. Do, S. S stands for are. You are. Do, S. The third person will be nae or inkne. Nae, inkne. E is. Now we can move to the plural forms. We are will be menk, enk. Enk stands for we, are for we. The next one, you are, duk, ek. Dukek, ek. Remember, this ek will also go with the formal singular you. Dukek, dukek. And the last one, they are, will be neranken, neranken, or irenken. N stands for are, that goes with they. Let's summarize this. Yes, I am. Dues, you are. Inkne or nae. Menkenk, we are. Duk ek, dukek, you are, plural. Neranken, neranken, they are. Let's have a very short exercise. I'm going to tell you the personal pronoun and the auxiliary verb in English. You have to say that in Armenian. So, they are. It's neranken. Formal you are. Dukek. We are. Menkenk. He or she is. Nae or inkne. I hope you got all the answers. We are finished for today. I am Shushi from Hayasa. Thank you very much for watching this video. Move to the next lesson and I will teach you how to introduce yourself. Ajabutyun!